Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video to share a bit of good mood and tips for happiness for this winter. So it's something that I've been experiencing in particular in my life these days, and life is very peaceful and quiet, and so this has come out. Um, Basically, you can it's about replacing fear with love. So the opposite of love is not so much hatred, right? But it's more fear. Hatred is a kind of fear. The things you hate them mostly because you're scared of them. So fear is the opposite of love. So each time you engage into something, or you're saying something to someone, or you have a reaction that's triggered in you by an external event, then you can wonder, does this come from fear or does this come from love? And if you see that it comes from fear, and most automatisms that we get in our behavior will come from fear because they're a defense mechanism against the things we don't understand, and so we kind of fear them. So if you see that it comes from fear, try to replace this with a statement of love from you. So this sounds awfully abstract, but it's actually very simple. So if someone, okay, let's say someone's giving you feedback, for example, and it's a bit judgmental or it's a bit clumsy, and then you kind of feel that you're going to be defensive and you're about to say something like, yes, but I did this because that and whatever, then you can just go into blocking this fear and then turning it into love and just say, oh, okay, actually, I'm feeling vulnerable as you're saying this, but you might be right, and thank you for this feedback. I'll take it into account. So all the little things in your life, just try to maybe filter it through and see if it comes from fear of love. And if it comes from fear, try to turn it into love. You're full of love. It's not hard. You just have to let that love shine through and allow it to shine through your actions and your words, and also your silences and your initiatives, anything you do. Replacing fear by love. Very fundamental, very easy concepts, very powerful tool and method to attract good things into your life for a happy, zen, easy life. Enjoy your weekend. See ya.